Heaven, what I'm going to say next is going to sound a little bit crazy. We've got the best Volkswagens west of the Mississippi. Now, Heaven, do you believe that?
Not really.
No. No customer is ever going to believe that because basically all Volkswagens are built in the same place, aren't they?
No.
Well, I mean, let me rephrase.
Yeah.
All the Jettas are built in one place, all the Atlases are built in one place, all the other different models are built in one place, okay? And then they're loaded on ships and sent to the U.S., or if they were built in the U.S., they're loaded on trucks and they're sent to the dealerships around the country, right? All those Volkswagens are created equal. But once the Volkswagen gets to Galpin, it's no longer equal. Heaven, does Volkswagen's factory warranty cover dings and dents?
Yes.
No, it doesn't.
Oh, okay.
Okay? The Volkswagen factory warranty covers the mechanical workings of the vehicle, but it doesn't cover anything cosmetically speaking. So if you buy a Volkswagen from another Volkswagen store and you get a ding or a dent during the first year, or multiple dings and dents, you have to pay for that repair. Volkswagen's not going to, or your car just looks worse and it depreciates more. At Galpin, you're warranted against dings and dents for the first year. We will fix an unlimited number of dings and dents, keeping your vehicle looking better, but most importantly, keeping your resale value high. Heaven, if you lose a key fob, let's say you go to the ocean and somehow it leaves your person and ends up in the ocean, is Volkswagen going to replace that for you? No, they're not, because the keys are not warranted. At Galpin, you're going to get key replacement coverage. Heaven, do you ever eat at fast food restaurants?
Yes.
Okay. Have you ever noticed how the curbs in the drive-thrus are all black, where people scrape their tires and wheels on those curbs?
Yeah, that's true.
If you scrape your wheel on that curb and it gouges or scratches the alloy wheel, is Volkswagen going to fix that for you?
No.
No. But at Galpin, you do get a warranty for your wheels. So we're going to cover your keys. We're going to cover your dings and dents. We're going to cover your wheels. We're also going to cover your windshield, which Volkswagen does not cover. We're also going to cover your interior fabric that Volkswagen does not cover. And we're going to cover scuffs on your paint that can be buffed out. No other Volkswagen store in California is going to provide you the additional warranties that Galpin does, which makes our VW better than anybody else's VW. Got it?
Got it.
Now do you believe we've got better Volkswagens?
Yes.
Okay, good answer.